Renata Adams, were fatally shot.
I saw men from Tivoli go to the police vehicle, park before the Tivoli court, and throw a bomb inside. The vehicle exploded and caught fire. I am aware that about 8 gunmen have been shot. Some have been killed, but what I've been observing, people have been taking them up along with their guns in handcarts and going towards Tivoli.
Superintendent Adams says he was pinned down and unable to move. Mr. Siaga says this was not so, as he even offered Superintendent Adams safe passage out of the area.
I told him that I would flatly reject that offer because I could not have left the government vehicle nor my men behind me. And I think it was a ploy to lead us into more danger, because every moment he was with us, they started firing and he himself had to leave.
Several rockets were launched at the Coronation Market Command Post. Dynamite was also thrown at the post. Shots were fired at the Joint Police Military Team from M16s, AK-47s, Mini-14s and 9mm pistols. The police in turn responded with their artillery, including a Barrett M82.
Females, pull them away! Go behind the building! I will clear a few down there! So like AK.
Dynamite was also thrown into the Denham Town Police Station, which was under siege from men firing from the Maypen Cemetery and from Denham Town. Members of the Joint Police Military Force are pinned down at the Coronation Street Command Post, including members of the media. The death toll from this morning's sustained gunfire includes members of the security forces.
I really want to know if this is what the commissioner meant by his 48 hours. Because if that is so, then I must tell you that he would lose my confidence and the confidence of the Jamaica Labour Party totally. Because there's no question about it. This is not a solution. Up at the top, where the problem was, is very calm. That's a solution. He has men posted up there. It is not a solution to send Adams in here. Because wherever Adams goes, he leaves behind him a trail of terror.
According to Mr. Siaga, the gun battle now taking place appears to be a precursor to an even more sinister plot.
We are told by police officers who have called in to say that there is a bigger plan and that they have been told to stand by because they're going to intend to amass police and come in here to, as they say, smash down Tivoli Gardens.
The plot appears to thicken with reports of a death threat being issued against Mr. Siaga.
Okay, let me just state that I've not been a mouthpiece for anyone, PNP or JLP, but I was told by a policeman that he overheard